Josh said, well, what do I do if I'm in my paper trading and I have 2 red days in a row? You're done. You don't get to keep paper trading. You're done. The word trading is now not in your vocabulary. You no longer get to do any of that. You must now only train. You don't get to click the button. There's no clickety click for you. That means you coming back and all you're going to do now is listen to what we're saying in the room, why we're saying it. Now your hand's going to start to cramp because you should be doing nothing but journaling. You don't get to clickety click. You're done. You're done. There's no trading for you, even in a fake account. You're done. You need to listen more. So that comes down to train more, trade less. I cannot stress this enough. When you guys get in those streaks, trade exactly the way you have been. Don't veer off. The market is going to be up and down. None of that shit matters. Don't get in your own ways. Continue to trade the way you've been trading and you will be rewarded because obviously that was working for you. Now's not the time. I'm going to mix it up. No, you're not. Stop that bullshit. You don't need to mix it up. You're doing incredible. You're making $1 million a month. You don't need to mess with it, man. The recipe is amazing. You start mixing that thing up, you're going to blow it up, and then you're going to get in your own head, and then you're going to get into a slump. Well, guess what? That whole time you could have had another $1 million month, and then another $1 million month, and then and then another, and now a $2 million month. All you had to do was stay the course, consistently do exactly what you were doing. That's why the journal is so important. That's why I say, even when you're successful, right, that journal is just as important, if not more, to make sure you understand why you are doing what you're doing. What were you doing? How did you get there? What do you need to do? How do you stay present? You need to stay the course, stay present. What got you there? That's what you got to stay in. You got to live in that spot. Because if you have 10 great days in the hot zone, might pay for the next 90 days where you're not. Because you guys know when you are hot in the market and it's going your way, and because here at American Dream Trading, we don't cap our profits, only our losses, it's unlimited reward. Your 10 days of unlimited reward can seriously go from, oh, I just only intended to make 500 today. 10 days later, you're like, holy shit, I made $30,000. Because we don't cap the upside, only the downside. Stay in the zone, stay focused, and for God's sakes, use the strategies that I train you on every day. They work. You hear it. It's consistent. We have the world's greatest traders, period, point blank. End of discussion. I don't give a crap about anybody and what they're doing. We have the best traders in the world at American Dream Trading. That's it. Bar none. Like without even question at all. It's because of the rules we have in place. You can duplicate them. Everybody across the board, you guys can duplicate them. Stay the course. Love your faces.